Hey, so welcome back to the channel, BMF Speed Shop. So I just wanted to introduce you guys to a new car we got here on the channel. It's a little car I just picked up for my wife for her 35th birthday. So happy birthday, honey. It's Father's Day here today, so I thought I'd take it for a ride. She's at work. So I got the dad mobile out. It's a 94 Z28. I picked it up from one owner, so he's had the car since basically since 1994 or something, he said. Really well cared for. About 95,000 original miles. I have did some stuff to it since we got it. I took off the factory Z28 wheels and I put some of these Corvette wheels on here. And then the only thing that was wrong with the car was the radio didn't work. It was the original radio. So I went ahead and put a Pioneer in there that I picked up off eBay for like 20 bucks or something. T-top car, automatic. Give you the full tour here. LT1 350. So I was actually supposed to get her a Firebird, but when I went to pick it up, literally the day before I was supposed to go pick it up, somebody went and bought it. Oh, the key fob's not working now. It was working before. So I got the T-tops off. It's got the, well, it had the Bose sound system in there. It sounds really good with the Pioneer. We're pretty happy with that. Rust-free car. Picked the wheels up for really cheap from a buddy of mine at work. Let's see. I always like this little Corvette, or this red, white, and blue logo here. But yeah, it's all stock, stock exhaust. Someone did put a K&N air filter kit on it. And it says a fuel injection performance kit. But other than that, it's pretty stock. I do plan to put a shift kit in it and Corvette servo. It had the rear end redone once. It's a posi now, so that's kind of nice. I added this little front air splitter on there. Yeah, I wanted to get her something that was fun and something crazy like her, so this is what I picked out for her. Take you for a little cruise here. That is the beautiful Wisconsin River view out the T-tops. So yeah, 1994, I was actually about 10 years old when this car came out, and this body style Camaro and Firebird, and I absolutely loved them. So I've had quite a few of the 4th generation Firebird and Camaros. but this is my first Z28, and I kind of like it. It's kind of fun. So yeah, we're gonna probably see some more stuff on this car on the channel. I have already got like a shopping cart full of goodies over at Hawk's Performance, and suspension stuff. I'm trying to keep it all on a budget. So my goal with this car is to effectively basically build a car for $7,500 or less that is just an absolute riot to drive, and a fun machine for my wife just to have a good time in. So if you're into that kind of thing, that way, you know, hit the subscribe button. That way you can follow along. She really likes this car as much as she tries to pretend like she doesn't. So it's fun for me and her to work on something together, you know, and go to the car shows together and cruises and stuff in it. I got my own car and she's got hers. I just wanted to take you guys along, a little cruise through the hood. Hit the subscribe button. I gotta go.